Hello students. Yesterday in chapter 19 we learnt the question number 3a and b, and today we will start with question number c. So open your book page number 79 and we will start with question number c. It is slightly different from the question number b. See the example. Maya said the boys are playing. The answer is Maya said that the boys were playing. आर को किस में चेंज किया है? वेयर में, पास्ट टेंस में. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज टॉम सेड द मेन आर वर्किंग. द आंसर इज टॉम सेड दैट द मेन वेयर वर्किंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अमितवा सेड द गर्ल्स आर सिंगिंग. द आंसर इज अमितवा सेड दैट द गर्ल्स वेयर सिंगिंग. नंबर 3, कुमार सेड the people are arriving. The answer is Kumar said that the people were arriving. Number 4, Arunva said the ships are leaving. The answer is Arunva said that the ships were leaving. Number 5, Monodeep said the birds are flying towards the tree. The answer is Monodeep said that the birds were flying towards the tree. So it is very easy. Then see question number D. The example is Ramraj said I like oranges. The answer is Ramraj said that he liked oranges. Okay, इसमें भी आपको past tense में change करना है. Then example number 2 is John said I think it is raining. The answer is John said that he thought it was raining. So see the answers. Question number 1, Salim said it is hot. Answer is Salim said that it was hot. Number 1, Mary said I like sweets. Answer is Mary said that she liked sweets. Number 2, Arunva said I want to go to the cinema. The answer is Arunva said that he wanted to go to cinema. Number 3, Monodeep said I do my homework in the evening. The answer is Monodeep said that he did his homework in the evening. Number 4, the boys said we like playing football. The answer is the boys said that they liked playing football. Number 5, the little girls said we play games every day. Answer is the little girls said that they played games every day. Number 6, Mrs. Rao said I go to the market every day. The answer is Mrs. Rao said that she went to the market every day. Number 7, Peter said I think it is very cold. The answer is Peter said that he thought it was very cold. इसमें सारे आंसर्स में आपने क्या देखा कि पास्ट टेंस हमने यूज़ किया है. इज़ का वॉज, लाइक का लाइक्ड, वांट का वांटेड, डू का डिड, और लाइक फिर लाइक्ड, प्ले का प्लेड, गो का क्या पास्ट टेंस है वेंट, और थिंक का पास्ट टेंस क्या है थॉट. तो सारा पास्ट टेंस हमने यूज़ किया है. ओके, देन सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द एग्जाम्पल इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 भी आपका एग्जाम्पल जैसा है. रीड द एग्जाम्पल्स, लुक एट द चेंजेस, then change all the sentences in the same way. The example number 1 is Radha said to John what are you doing. The answer is Radha asked John what he was doing. इसमें said to को अंडरलाइन कीजिए आप खुद से. said to के बदले में क्या आया है asked. ठीक है, और सेम मीनिंग होता है, ये तो आपको पता ही है. सो राधा asked John what are you doing. are you doing को हमने क्या किया है, John को बोलिए. John is a boy, so he आर के बदले में was, he was doing. ठीक है, समझ में आया. देन सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, मिस दास सेड टू मिस्टर राव व्हेन आर द चिल्ड्रन कमिंग. द आंसर इज मिस दास सेड टू बदले क्या लिखेंगे आस्क्ड मिस्टर राव व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन बहुत सारे बचे हुए, सो आर नहीं लिखेंगे, क्या लिखेंगे उसके बदले वेयर कमिंग. सो आंसर इज मिस दास आस्क्ड द मिस्टर राव व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन वेयर कमिंग. The example number 3 is Monodeep said to Kumar which school do you go to. The answer is Monodeep asked Kumar which school he went to. यहाँ go लिखा है, go का past tense went, so which school he went to. Okay, So I hope you understand the examples. So see the question number A. Tom said to Anu, what are you reading? So Anu is a girl and Tom is a boy. So Tom asked Anu, said to को क्या लिखेंगे, asked Anu what she was reading. क्योंकि यहाँ पे you are reading, इसलिए she for Anu और was reading. अनु के लिए फिर तो she के साथ are नहीं लगाएंगे, where नहीं लगाएंगे, इसलिए she was reading. The question number B. Betty said to John, when are the people arriving? The answer is Betty asked John when the people were arriving. People और भी plural है, इसलिए people were arriving. Then turn the page of your book, page number 80. See the question number C. Miss Rao said to Tom, which book do you want? So answer is Miss Rao said to, उधर क्या लिखेंगे, asked Tom which book. Tom क्या boy, so he wanted. Was नहीं लगाना है यहाँ पे, कुछ भी नहीं है, do के बदले में क्या लगाएंगे, wanted. Want का past tense wanted. Then number D. Miss Shah said to Maya, how is your father? So answer is Miss Shah asked Maya how her father was. Number E. Jack said to John, where are you going on Saturday? The answer is Jack asked John where he was going on Saturday. Number F. Mrs. Shah said to Prem, why do you want a rupee? The answer is Mrs. Shah asked Prem why he wanted a rupee. Number G. Maya said to Prem, who is the boy in the green shirt? The answer is Maya asked Prem who the boy was in green shirt. Number H. Mrs. Shah said to the girls, what are you doing? The answer is Mrs. Shah asked the girls what they were doing. Number I. Mr. Rao said to Prem, how are your father and mother? The answer is Mr. Rao asked Prem how his father and mother were. Number J. Anu said to Prem, who are the children playing football? The answer is Anu asked Prem who the children were playing football. Okay, so this one we have also completed. Question number 5 is read aloud, so you have to read aloud it. Then see question number 6. It is a revision question. It's very easy question. You have already done it. So that is tell me, use of tell me. So see the example. Which class are you in? Tell me which class you are in. Who is the girl? Tell me who the girl is. So see the answers first. Which shirt are you wearing? So tell me which shirt you are wearing. Number B. Which class do you go to? Tell me which class you go to. Number C. Which book are you reading? Answer is tell me which book you are reading. Number D. Which exercise did you do? The answer is tell me which exercise you did. ठीक है, did है क्वेश्चन में तो आपको did ही लगाना है. Number E. Which pen are you using? So answer is tell me which pen you are using. Number F. Who is that man? The answer is tell me who man that is. Then question number G. Who is the woman in the car? Tell me who the woman is in the car. Number H. Who are the two strangers? The answer is tell me who the strangers are. Number I. Who is the cleverest boy in the school? So answer is tell me who the cleverest boy is in the school. Number J. Who were the visitors? The answer is tell me who the visitors were. Okay. So for today this one is enough, and your homework is to revise all the examples and answers many times. आपको बार बार सारे examples को पढ़ना है, समझना है, answers को पढ़ना है, समझना है. ओके, तभी आपको ये समझ में आएगा. ये है बहुत easy, कुछ difficult नहीं है, बट आप इसको बार बार many times आप इसको पढ़िएगा तभी समझ में आएगा. And so write all the answers in your English language notebook. उसके बाद आपको सारा आंसर्स जो है वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की नोटबुक में करेक्टली विदाउट एनी स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक आपको लिखना है. ओके, सो थैंक यू एंड टेक केयर.